Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 42, we are going to learn how to create the object of the hash class and some new methods. So right click on your presentation and create a new file, hash program. And this is the third program for this hash series, and I'm going to create it. Okay, now first of all we are creating a student's hash table, and just for this thing we use hash class and then use the new method here. And now we are adding the values in the student's hash. You can student, and then first of all we will place some key here. I will give the roll number, something like this, roll number, and assign the value with 1. Similarly, I am creating another student and name and assign the value Albert. Student marks is equal to 36.96, and student address is equal to London. Student age is equal to 25. For example, we are creating such kind of things. Now if I want to display the values of this hash, just what we can do, we will use student, and then I will want to display the 25, then I will give the key here, and now I am going to run this program here. So it will display the 25 values according to our program. So we have undefined local value student, so I think we have missing the spelling mistakes. Student is here. Okay, now it's okay. Now run this program. Okay, now it means that you got the values with this thing. And similarly, if we want to fetch the values with the different ways, so how to use it? Fetch the values with the different methods. For this thing we use puts and then name of the student, then dot fetch is the method. And if we want to display the same thing, we will provide the key, and I am using the key address here. Now you can see that this is the same method. So either you can do this thing, or either with the method it will have the synonyms with having the same effect. And if you want to display the values of hash with you can say that on different things, then you can use values underscore at. In this you will provide the keys. For example, I'm using it the marks, and provide the values with the name here. Okay, what will be the effect of this thing? It will provide us the result with Albert. You can see that marks, but it will showing the Albert. Why? Because this key replaces this values. And if we will use marks here, then you can see that the no values will be displayed here. So there's the key, and then you will give some information here. 36. If I will do that, then what will be the effect? Okay, once again you can see that it will not showing here, because this is going to approach the you can see that just like a pointer one. If you will use this with the pointer one thinking, then which key is referring to which key, then it will be happening same thing. So you can see that it was we are asking the marks, and then marks will have the reference to the roll number, and this then the data will replace with the 1 here. Similarly, if we want to know that whether some keys are present in our hash or no, so for this thing we are going to display the result here with the help of something like student dot has key, and then this is the boolean result will be displayed, and we are providing something address, and now check it out. Okay, we did not display the put statement, we forgot to display it. So you can see that the true value is here, but if we want to display student dot has key, and since it was not having the key of phone number, then you can see that it will return us the false value here. So in this way you can understand very well that how to create an object of the hash class and then assign the values, and then you need to display it with the help of this thing. And also you can understand that how to find that whether the key is present in the hash or not. And similarly you can see the same effect with using that whether the student hash table has the values something like this, and I just want to know that London is present in the hash or not. So if the data was present, then it will give me the boolean value of true here. This true, sorry, we run another program, run hash program 3, and then you can see it will provide us the true value here. But if we will provide the variable value scratchy, then it will return us the false value because the scratchy is not present in this hash game here. Okay, we are now learning some more methods, in hash. If we want to make the duplicate hash, then what we can do, in the last lesson we learned the invert session, in which the keys are converted into the values and values are converted into the key. But if we are creating another student 2 for example, and we want to pass all the values of the student dot duplicate, and then this method, what will be the output of this method. So you can see that we have puts and student 2 dot values dot inspect, and now run this program. You can see that the student 2 has the same values which are already in our the student 1 Albert 36.96 and London and 25. Similarly, if we want to inspect the keys dot inspect of the second student, then you can see that it will shows us the values keys with the same thing which are in the student here. So in this way you can see that we can create a duplicate method. Now if we want to find that both hash are equal or not, are equal or not, so what we will do, we need to check it, ports, and then we use student dot equal, and it's a boolean value, and then check it out with the student 2. So it will give us the true value because both are identical, so its values are changing with it, and the result with the boolean value. Similarly, if we want to clear the data in the student, or want to know that whether student 2 dot empty, student dot 2 dot clear, and after that we will puts and student 2 dot uh, equal, and then check it out, student with the student. Now we will clear all the values, and now we are going to run this, and then you can see that we got the false value here. And one more thing for this session, if we want to know that whether student to student 2 dot empty, then it will give us the result that it is true or false. So you can see that it's a true value here. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos on different things. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.